Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can allow microphone and camera access on your Google Chrome browser. So the process is really simple, so without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you just need to be click over here, three dots. Once you click over here, then you just need to be click to the setting, and then you just need to go to the privacy and security. Once you come over that place, if you click over here this one, or you just need to go over here, then you will find out that Chrome found some safety recommendation for you. So here you just need to click on site setting. Once you click over here, then eventually you will able to see the permissions. So here our main target was to allow microphone and camera access in here. So that for reason I will click over here to the microphone. Once I click over here, then you can see the default behavior will be set automatically. Follow this setting when you visit them. Site can ask to use your microphone. You just need to be enable this one. Similarly, for the camera, you just need to check out this one, and in this way you can easily enable access, allow mic and camera access on Google Chrome. So if you love this video and if you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.